How I turned these pieces of scrap foam into the crown for the King of the Dead Army. I had first cut the pieces to my Sabatons in a 6mm prop foam, so I'm going to be using those scraps for this build. The cap of the crown was built out of pieces of the toe that I cut down into these triangles, and then I used the pieces from the heel to sketch out the crown. Once I glued the crown together using a contact cement, I used my foam clay to sculpt out the details. These two pieces of toe covers were great as ear covers, so I cut them out and did the same. When my foam clay dried, I was able to start working on the crown pieces. For the point on my cap, I took a 15mm foam dowel and sanded it down using my Dremel. I then sanded down those rough corners on the cap so I could glue down the embellishments using a contact cement. Switching back to those crown pieces, I used a score and heat method as an easy hack to get the details that I wanted. Then for embellishments, I glued down pieces of foam strips the same as the ones I had used on my cap. These were then adhered to the crown along with the cap and the ear covers. After a good coating of Plasti Dip, I painted this an iridescent rich silver and then moved to a copper and gold paint. And the end result is the crown for the King of the Dead. See you next time!